What's going on, guys? Gary Yaman here, back at it again with a new video. Hope everybody feeling safe and it's fine. Let's begin right away with this exciting box that we got right here, the Canon EOS R. EOS R, EOS. Anyways, very excited because this is the first time that I'll be testing out this camera. And I've done a review some months ago about the EOS RP. And that one was actually a really good value camera. And let's unbox this together. Curious to see if this is still any good in 2020. So here we go. This is, by the way, a returned item, and I got this for a pretty good deal. So you may see that things are a little bit different than usually, and as you see, everything is like all used and weird. And let's see what we got in the box itself. Right, are you ready? Damn, this looks terrible packaging. So we got here some power cords, I think. Not sure what this is, like a USB-C kind of a cable. And this is the charger, battery charger, good. And this is the EF adapter. This is, of course, the camera itself. Oh, this is a battery. I was scared that there was no battery in it. And the camera strap. All right, let's put this aside. Let's put it on this side. So, ooh la la. Damn. My goodness. Oh, it's actually quite big. If you are used to Sony cameras, then you know that the grip is like very small, and I'm used to that kind of grip, and having a Nikon or a Canon in this case is always so differently and feels like it's very big and large. But the overall condition looks good. Oh wow. I wish Sony has this shutter coming down after you're using it, because this will protect your sensor. But then again, if there is somehow dust on your sensor, how are you going to open this? I think just by turning the camera on. Oh, I have to put the battery in it, of course. Alright, let's see if we got any juice in the battery. Whoa. Okay. Battery goes there, and like so. Alright, it's closed. Yes. Ah, look at that. See what I mentioned, there is a little bit of dust there. So cool. Put that aside. I also got here a lens, the 35mm f1.8 RF lens, and let's see if that is any it's also a return. I think it's a package deal kind of thing, but I have to order it separately. So what I like about these open boxes, returned items, is that you always get a nice deal, and sometimes it's way cheaper because not everybody wants to have a used item, right? Here it is, 35. Alright, looking very compact. This is the 35mm f1.8 RF lens, and I like that it's compact. Oh. Alright. Got a nice little, I think, an aperture kind of thing, ring. Here, the manual focus ring. An autofocus, manual focus switch, and a stabilizer on off. I'm gonna put it in autofocus, stabilizer on. Does it have any like weather sealing gaskets or anything? Not sure. And if you look closely, you can also see that it's a little bit on the back end. You can see that's a little bit sticking out. It's like a bulb or something. Alright, let's mount this on the EOS R. Bam! Ooh, look at this, guys. Ooh, got a nice weight to it. No card. Alright, so usually when you have a new camera, you got these settings that you have to set things up, but because this is a returned item, I think there are some settings already. Let's take the first selfie shot. All right, good, good, good. It's always so dark if I look at the screen. Okay, let's switch things up. Let's switch. It took me some time to figure out how to do that lock thingy, and because the system, the menu system is totally different than from any Sony cameras. What I do see right now is that the Canon has eye autofocus in video, which is really cool. It locks on my eye right now, and I'm very curious how the log footage will look, so I'm not sure. But anyways, this is the first impression so far, and very curious to see how things are looking in several weeks, because then the full review will be coming out. So guys, subscribe to the channel to see the full review in a couple of weeks, and then we'll see if it still holds up in 2020, if it's still worth buying in 2020, and how it compares to the Sony a7 III still, even with new firmware updates and stuff like that. I'm liking the eye autofocus in video, so I think it's now in focus. Not sure about the C-Log so far. And after this video, in the end, I'm going to also post some pictures to see if the pictures are any good. So that's all. Thank you again guys for watching. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment down below. What do you think about the Canon EOS R, and what do you want to see in the full review? Let me know in the comment section down below. Alright, that's all. Stay safe, stay healthy, good luck.